Stop, please, Daddy. Hi.
Hi.
I'm sick. I got arterial ammonia. What's wrong with you?
Kidneys don't work. I need new ones.
Where do you get them from?
Someone has to give me one.
I could give you a mine.
I don't want you talking in, okay?
Why?
It might be dangerous.
I want you to read it to me so you can learn about Jesus.
Lucy. Thank you.
I drive it for you. I had a dream of a fat man with tattoos. Jesus told me you needed help. Then I saw you. I want to give you my kidney so you can be with your family.